He was just working for them. He never tried. He was not emotional. He just did what he could have done on his level. And many of us in this country or in this world, I would not say, give them or say them that they are Nero's guest, but we get emotions for just 2 minutes, 5 minutes, a single day, a week, a month. But when the time passes, we forget all this. I have seen a number of documentary movies in my life, even I have forgotten that. But great hats off to that person. Without having a single emotion in his heart or in his mind, he worked for them. He didn't got anything in return. He never got to think about his family, to see about his future, to think what he can do for himself. He just knew that his emotions are to be saved so that his energy can be just concentrated to help that farmers. So I would request you all guys, not only you guys, Viral sir, to spread this message wherever he goes. Whoever can answer, please answer me. How can I or any other person, a prime minister, a minister, a school boy, a school teacher, a municipal worker, even the person who cleans the road in the morning, how can they help farmers who are doing suicide on their level? I'm not asking a municipal person to give 1,000 rupees a month, but what is the possibility and what is the need of our generation, our community, our social life to do or do some help to those farmers on their level?
मैं एक एग्जांपल देना चाहता हूँ कि हम अभी यहाँ प्रेजेंट हैं, कम से कम 400 से ज़्यादा लोग हैं यहाँ पर। आप लोगों ने जो भी क्लोथ पहना है, कपड़े पहने, जूते पहने, सारी चीज़ें एक फार्मर के पसीने से आई हुई है। उसने दिन भर अपना पसीना जला के, खून जला के वो कॉटन उगाया, वो सिल्क उगाया, वो लेदर की फार्मिंग की। और ये सब आता है बड़े बड़े स्टोर्स में, जैसे ग्लोबस में आया, बड़े बड़े स्टोर्स, ब्रांड फैक्ट्री, वहाँ पर हम जाते हैं तो इतनी मतलब जो भी हमें सेल करता है मुझसे इतनी अच्छे लगे तो ओह थैंक यू वेरी मच, आपने मुझे कपड़े दिए। हम उसे पे भी करते हो कि वी आर गिविंग हिम 300 रुपीज, वी आर गिविंग हिम 500 रुपीज, वी से वेरी डियरली ओह थैंक यू वेरी मच। पर आप जो खाना खाते हो, व्हाट रोटी दाल एनीथिंग आप जो खाते हो, उसके लिए कभी भी हम एक किराने वाले के पास जाते हैं और एनी अदर पर्सन, एनी अदर फार्मर, किसी के भी पास हम जाते हैं तो हम उसे कभी भी इतनी प्यार से थैंक्स नहीं कहते। कि हम जितनी प्यार से बड़े लोगों को सैल्यूट करते हैं, उतनी प्यार से अगर एक छोटे से फार्मर को थैंक्स बोल के हम ले लेते हैं कुछ चीज, तो उसे भी जरूर अच्छा लगेगा और शायद उसे भी हेल्प करेगा। सो आई सैल्यूट दोज फार्मर्स हु हैव डन दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग। और आज हम सब हट्टे कट्टे यहाँ पर खड़े हैं, कोई भी लिम नहीं करता, और ये सब उस फूड की वजह से है, उस क्रॉप की वजह से जो उसने उगाया एंड उसने उगाया। सो आई सैल्यूट ऑल द फार्मर्स इन इंडिया।
I was in college first year pursuing my bachelor's. We were given an assignment for farmer weavers and we went that village. It's not Zari, it's near Aheri. It's a village near Chandrapur where you go. When you go and ask that farmers of Egypt, they will feel, when you enter their home, they feel that you have brought something from the government. When you say that you are from just an institution asking them about their problem, they stop talking to you. They would not talk to you, they would not tell what is there. Understand, it is not farmers or it is not about the crop or it is not about the agriculture they are growing. It's not about that. It's about the pain that they are not getting. 50% of the farmers in that village were not even knowing that the government has passed an act for getting or anything kind of package, because that was never known to them and it never came to them. उनके पंचायत में भी उसकी बात नहीं होती है, कभी बात ही नहीं हुई। जब हम उन्हें जाके पूछते हैं ना कि गवर्नमेंट ने ऐसा पैकेज इशू किया है आपके लिए, आपके पास आया क्या, दे आर ब्लैंक, दे क्राई, दे कैन वीप, दे कैन डू जस्ट। इट्स नॉट दैट दे आर ग्रोइंग कॉटन, आज खाना मत खाओ, सैल्यूट देम। इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट यू गो एंड सिट इन देयर होम, यू कैन नॉट सिट फॉर 5 minutes, you cannot sit still, they will ask you a glass of water, have something, because you know that they are not, we cannot do anything, because उन्हें पता ही नहीं है कि उनके लिए क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि उन तक वो चीज पहुंचती ही नहीं है। उनका खुद का सरपंच उनको बताता नहीं कि उनके लिए क्या आता है, उन्हें खुद को नहीं मालूम कि ये फसल उगाने के लिए उन्हें ये डालना है, ये गवर्नमेंट ने प्रोवाइड किया है। It's not they don't know. पैसा उन तक पहुंचता ही नहीं. It's not to ask the farmer कि यार तुम फसल कैसे उगाते हो. It's the question to ask the government कि जो पैसे तुमने रिलीज किए हैं वो बीच से कहाँ गए? Who has eaten up? जो वहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचा. The entire documentary, Mr. Sainath was telling the same things, that Neuro's guests are those people who have eaten up the public money which was to be given to farmers.
I just want to ask something. That is the government only responsible for this? Is only the government responsible for this? Because there are many people. Even I repent for it. What did I do? I say that I needed to get some wheat. You know, हम लोग ज़्यादातर गेहूं घर पे लेके आते हैं, उसको पिसवाते हैं. Rather from getting it somewhere, वहाँ पे जहाँ पे मेरे डैड काम करते हैं, WCL उमरेड ओपन कास्ट माइंस. So वहाँ पे जो गांव है, वहाँ पे जाके जो खेती करता है ना, उसके यहाँ से एक कम दाम पे गेहूं जो कहीं ज़्यादा वैल्यू का था, वो लेके आते हैं. I really repent these days, this time, because I never repented like this again. That I really repent for whatever the farmers are facing. I never guessed that this may be the reason, because nobody cares for them. And only just telling the expressions right now, giving the things and getting that kind of things, you can't help them. And maybe we just say over here that they do this, they do that, but we will never help them. And we need to get that initiative from us within. And tell that only you just have verbal things that we are going to help. And tell, you go out of here, you get outside, you go to Haldiram's, you have a softie and you forget each and everything. That's what we do. We don't remember each and everything. So initiative would be started right now. So who is, the last question, who's going to join the club? Raise your hands first, like I do.